glasses. Sorry, I'm reserved. It's pretty cute in here, though.
Welcome to Exploding Kittens VR. Players worldwide convene here to play Exploding Kittens together. Let's start by going over the game rules. Press the play button. Players take turns opening the box, and the one who gets the exploding kitten loses.
Oh.
Press the button on the top of the box to open it. You found a defuse tool. Use it to defuse an exploding kitten. It's your turn again. This is an exploding kitten. Defuse it to avoid exploding. Use the wire cutters. Whew. The exploding kitten has returned to the box. The game will go on until only one player is left. Congratulations, you won. Now let's see other ways to avoid exploding. You receive tools at the start of the game. You can use tools before opening the box.
Oh, let's use the glasses.
Put on your glasses and privately view the next 3 tools from the box.
The future.
The exploding kitten is next. Insert the coin in the slot on the box to skip your turn.
Skip.
Your skip has been cancelled. Quickly, hit the gavel to cancel the cancellation. You avoided the explosion by using action tools. Yay. Next, combos.
Winner!
You receive a cat tool at the start. It works only when paired with an identical cat tool.
Oh, taco for a kitty.
Your turn.
Hold one taco cat in each hand and combine them to form a magnet tool. Aim the magnet at your opponent's sector and press trigger to steal a random tool. You got the defuse. Now you can safely open the box. Defuse the exploding kitten and place it back in the box where you want. Choose wisely.
Where? Oh, duh. Okay.
Your turn.
Ah. That was terrible.
That's it. By the way, there is a rule book on your right and on all tables. Use it to learn everything about the tools and game mods. Bye.
Hub number 1 and private game. Oh, I got a coin for being nice to the kitty. Practice. Classic. Daily quest. Play a game in blitz mode. Play catnoid. Buy any item at a friend. Duel. Smack a face. It's blitz. Faster than other modes.
All right. Let's get to work. Your turn.
Can't see what tools they've got.
It's your turn.
Ooh, 2 glasses. Oh.
It's your turn.
Danger spotted.
Ooh. Mine. Yours, yours. Yours, yours. Mine. Ooh. Ooh, skip.
It's your turn.
Exploding Kitten. Oh, nope. I don't have a no button.
Skip.
Surge.
super skip.
Super skip. Your turn.
Danger spotted.
Ooh. Well, I can't skip.
Attack.
Uh-oh.
Attack.
It's your turn.
My last one. Oh. Defeated. Still get some loot. Blitz. Oh, let's try the duel. Play Catnoid. What's Catnoid? Oh, this one. Do you have a token? Oh. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh, ticket. What else does it say to do? Buy any item at a friend. Oh, right there. Oh. Huh. Oh. 2 hands, can you hold it? Oh, really? There we go. Tokens. Alright. Oh, duel. Huh.
All right, kiddies. Let's get to work.
What are you? Merge. Use it on your turn.
It's your turn.
Merge. Okay. What is this? Skip. What are you? Oh, merge. Oh.
Do you mind if I steal? Do you mind if I steal?
I do mine.
It's your turn.
Do you mind if I steal?
Your turn.
Do me a favor.
It's your turn.
Do me a favor.
Do me a favor. Oh, shuffle.
Your turn.
Skip.
Your turn.
Skip.
Do me a favor.
Bye.
Do you mind if I steal?
Your turn. Your turn.
I see the future.
Your turn.
Do you mind if I steal? I'm chuckling.
What is this?
Attack. Attack.
Oh.
It's your turn.
Oh. Where do I get it again? Dang. Not doing very well at this. Where do you buy something? That's the question. Well, that's it for right now. I gotta go play Into the Radius.